Hey guys, in front of me is OUKITEL WP36 and let me show you how to do the fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Security, mark Face and Fingerprint Unlock. And at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password, whatever you prefer. I want to set pattern, so just provide the pattern, tap on next, re-enter it just to confirm. And now it's time to place, at first you need to manage notifications and then just mark fingerprint. And now it's time to add it. So the fingerprint sensor is located on your power button over here. So just keep tapping till it's fully added. I'm done, and as you can see from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.